Oil change Honda CR-V, Earth Dreams technology. This is a 2.4 liter engine. It's the only one that came in this year, 2015. It'll work for multiple years. 0W20, using full synthetic oil. Let's get down to business. Pull our dipstick up a little bit. Let the old engine breathe. We'll take this little cap off. And now we are ready to raise the vehicle up in the air. Be safe with your jack stands or whatever. If you're a small dude, you can just crawl right underneath this one. Once you get her off the ground, got our oil bucket in place, our oil filter, plain as day, right here. You can see it hugs the pan. So here is my favorite oil filter wrench right here. It is great. It's got those little grippies on it, and you can squeeze and turn to break it. This one is on there super tight. Oil is super way past due. I'm gonna need two hands. I can't film and turn. I gotta really squeeze this one. It is froze on there. Oh yeah, two hands on her. You get the pressure, you get the grip. Cracked her free. And as soon as she's struggle busting it still on there way too tight. There we go. All right. Whoop. Almost missed the oil bucket. I don't mind getting a little oil on my hands, whatever. Spin her off, boys. Got enough threads on there? Jeez. All right, in the bucket she goes. Nasty oil. Uh-oh. See how that looks grayish? That's not good. That oil filter is off right there. We're gonna wipe down that surface with a rag with a little brake cleaner on it because it's got some buildup. But we'll just give her a little cleaning. Right here's our oil drain plug. That is a 17 millimeter. Cracked her free already. Just spin her loose. Let it all drain into the bucket. I'd say about 95% of the oil changes I do, if I can't get them off by hand, this is my go-to. Some of them sit up in there where you need an oil filter wrench that sticks on, or specialty one or whatever. But this one's my favorite. Can take off almost any oil filter. Works every time. See, really bites in. Adjustable to go wider or smaller. We're all done drip draining. We got our Napa Pro Select 27356. That's the oil filter. We're gonna dip our finger in here and put a little bit of lube on the rim, just like so. We're gonna spin her. See, cleaned her off. We're gonna spin her right on there. You can actually know you got it on there right if it keeps on spinning, no cross threading. Then it tightens up like that, and we'll give it about a quarter of a turn more. Just, it depends on how strong your hands are, but get her tight, not too tight. Definitely not too loose. Now that we got our oil filter on there tight, we're gonna grab our drain plug right here, that 17 mil. We've got this little crush washer right here. If you want to be really nice and sweet to your Honda, replace that crush washer when you get your oil and filter from the store. Never a bad move. Checked, and yeah, it does say to replace that washer every time, and 30 foot-pounds on your oil drain plug there. Get that tight, wipe your residual oil off, bring her down. We're gonna put 4.6 quarts down the hatch here of 020 full synthetic. Little tip for you guys out there, Napa full synthetic and Parts Master are the same as Valvoline. So we'll say made by Valvoline on here, same factory Valvoline comes from. I've been using it in all my vehicles for about, I don't know, 15, 20 years, the Parts Master, and then I switched to Napa because they started selling it cheaper, and it's the exact same thing. I got over 300,000 on one of my cars and over 200,000 on both my trucks. Using it since day one, nothing wrong with it. So 4.6 down the hatch here, then we'll put our dipstick in, put our cap back on, close the hood. All right, let's move on to the oil life reset. If you have a key ignition, just turn it to the on position, one click before start. If you have a push button, go ahead and press it once and then twice. Everything will light up on the dash. We will go to menu right here. We'll click menu, and it will come up right there. Vehicle information. We'll press over to confirm it, and then maintenance info, that's pressing over. Negative 10,000 miles. Let's go down to oil and filter. So you can see air filter, tire rotation, all that good stuff. We just press the right hand button. Would you like to reset? Would you like to reset maintenance information? Yes, please. You press the center button for this? Yes. You got to press the center button for that instead of the over key. Oh, and there we go. Oil life 100%. We're good to go. And you can also be using this with your air filter on this one. Yep. I'm going to press no because we didn't change that. But that's cool. That's how you do that. Reset oil life, Honda CR-V.